Welcome to the Stone Ridge Software Modern Manufacturing Technology Conference.
We're so excited that you joined us today.
In this session on engaging your distributor network using Dynamics 365.
Your customer service team plus AI equals happier customers.
How we use the Microsoft-based technologies to address these business requirements inside of organizations.
It's now time to really be thinking about how you get to a connected cloud environment for your business applications.
Stone Ridge is here for you.
We really look forward to interacting with you.
And I hope you get a lot of value out of the rest of the day.